Okay, guys, in this lesson, we're going to be practicing our numbers and recognizing them in our reading. So we're just going to go through real quick and practice our numbers. So this is the number 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, and then the number 10. We are going to read this quick story. It's called One Potato, and then we're going to do 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. All right, you try it. Awesome job. All right, now let's do this one. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, shut the gate. 9, 10, begin again. Now you try it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, shut the gate. 9, 10, begin again. Awesome job. The next thing you're going to do is go to the Nearpod and practice your numbers.